Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly massive, powerful, and luxurious on wheels, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome. Kenworth is a name synonymous with strength and reliability in the world of heavy-duty trucks, and now, they've transformed that iconic platform into an ultra-premium motorhome. Whether you're chasing the open road or living full-time on the move, the T2000 motorhome delivers a unique blend of trucking muscle and motorhome luxury. From the outside, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome is nothing short of imposing. It retains the rugged, aerodynamic shape of the T2000 semi-truck, but with sleek motorhome adaptations. The long, bold front hood with signature Kenworth grille commands attention, while the aerodynamic fairings and updated LED lighting system enhance both style and fuel efficiency. The full body paint job is flawless, with several high-end color options and metallic finishes to choose from. Slide-outs on both sides significantly expand the living space inside, and the electric retractable awning offers shade and comfort for outdoor living. With high ground clearance and heavy-duty chassis components, this motorhome is built to handle rough roads and remote adventures just as easily as paved highways. Inside, the cabin is all about high-end comfort and practical luxury. Despite its trucking roots, the interior offers plush leather seating, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen, a queen-sized bed, and a premium entertainment system. Wood trim, ambient lighting, and well-thought-out storage solutions make it feel more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Under the hood, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome comes equipped with a powerful PACCAR MX-13 engine that delivers over 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This beast of an engine is paired with a smooth shifting 12-speed automated transmission, offering incredible pulling power and fuel efficiency for a rig of this size. Whether climbing steep grades or cruising across long interstate stretches, the T2000 handles like a true long-haul king. Despite its massive frame, the air suspension and modern steering system ensure a surprisingly smooth and stable ride. Safety is another area where the Kenworth T2000 motorhome impresses. It includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for complete situational awareness. With air disc brakes, electronic stability control, and tire pressure monitoring, both driver and passengers can feel secure on the road, no matter the conditions. What sets the T2000 motorhome apart is its truck-grade durability combined with unmatched motorhome luxury. Unlike traditional RVs, this motorhome is built on a real commercial-grade chassis, meaning it's designed for extreme mileage and heavy loads. The massive towing capacity lets you bring along a boat, a car, or even another trailer without a second thought. Add in the off-grid capabilities like solar panels, lithium-ion battery banks, and onboard generators, and you've got a motorhome ready for total independence. The customizability is another major draw. Buyers can choose layouts, finishes, and even tailor the cab and living space to suit their personal style and needs. As for the price, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome sits at the top of the market. Depending on the configuration and custom features, pricing starts around $450,000 and can go well beyond $600,000 for fully loaded versions. It's not cheap, but you're paying for industrial-grade engineering, luxury-grade interiors, and a platform that's built to last for decades of serious travel. To wrap it up, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who want the power of a truck, the comfort of a luxury home, and the freedom of the open road, all in one unstoppable package. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a digital nomad, or just someone looking for the ultimate road warrior, the T2000 stands in a class of its own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more epic reviews just like this.